We begin in Indiana, the latest flashpoint in a national debate about freedom and discrimination. 2 days ago, Indiana's Governor Mike Pence, surrounded by nuns, Franciscan monks, and Orthodox Jews, signed something called the Religious Freedom Restoration Act into law. Going into effect in July, it protects the rights of people or businesses to follow their religious beliefs. Today, hundreds gathered at the State House in Indianapolis to protest, saying the law sanctions discrimination against gays and lesbians. As Adriana Diaz reports, this backlash is building.
More than 700 protesters turned out at the state capitol today to voice their fears that the new law could give businesses the right to refuse to serve gays and lesbians under religious grounds.
This is what democracy looks like.
Rachel Cowgill and Amy Knopf have been married for 15 years.
I don't want my child living in an environment where she's made to feel like her family is somehow less than other families.
No hate in our state!
Today's protest echoed growing opposition online as companies from Apple to pharmaceutical giant Eli Lilly took to social media to express reservations about the law. Angie's List said it would delay expanding in Indiana until we fully understand the implications of the Freedom Restoration Act on our employees. Salesforce.com has already canceled planned events in Indiana.
Okay.
Rachel Cowgill works for Salesforce.com. She and Amy fear for their family and their jobs.
Both of our employers have started sending out notices about not wanting to be here.
Indiana's Chamber of Commerce is urging businesses not to pull out of the state. But some business owners, like custom leather maker Casey Sampson, support the law.
We're not here to discriminate. We're here to serve anybody we can. But just as they have the right to live their life their way, I believe we should have the right to live how we want to.
Indiana's Governor Mike Pence says the law is about protecting business owners.
This is not about legalizing discrimination. It's about restricting the government's ability to intrude on the religious liberty of our citizens.
The opposition to this law just keeps growing. Gym basketball commentator Charles Barkley now says big events shouldn't be held in any state with what he calls anti-gay legislation. The Final Four is set to take place next weekend here in Indiana.
Adriana Diaz in Indianapolis, thank you.